Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So I have another unboxing for Amourwa Studio today. I'm so excited to share everything that I got with you guys. Thank you so much, Sammy, once again for sending me these amazing charms. So first things first, let's get into these cherry stickers. Aren't these the cutest? These are so cute. You know how popular the cherry nails are? And usually, you kind of have to like mess around with each individual crystal, but with this, it's already on the sticker. So I love that. That's super convenient, and they're really pretty and tiny, and I love them. And next, I have this amazing mix of alloy charms, and Sammy actually mixes these herself. And I love the fact that she always tries to make sure that you get two of each charm so that you always have a pair. So that's amazing. If you guys aren't shopping with Sammy, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're waiting for, but I'm going to help you out, and I'm going to have everything linked in the description box down below. So don't forget to check that out. And then I have another gold mix, but this is like a darker gold. These colors are more bold, so these are really nice. I just love getting mixes like this because I just feel like it gives me more options and just more to work with, and it's just so pretty. It's just so nice. Look at them, and these are really great quality, you guys. And this mix right here is really special because it is a Sailor Moon mix, and originally she kind of has all of the Sailor Moon charms like separated in like smaller quantities of like 10 and stuff like that. And I asked her if it was possible for her to do like one big mix of all of the Sailor Moon charms together, and she actually did that for me. So thank you so much, Sammy. So this is a 76-piece Sailor Moon mix set, and these are gorgeous. These are so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use them. And she also threw in some extra freebies. So thank you so much, Sammy. I love everything. Guys, definitely check her out. I'll have everything linked in the description box below, including the information to her TikTok as well. But that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and let me know what you think about everything that I've got. And don't forget to subscribe.